One of the most common inefficiencies that we see at organizations are people still inputting data into Excel. And that's where Power Apps comes into play. We actually build a form inside of Power App that stores the data in a database. So we can use it for other business use cases further down the line, and it's no longer sitting in an Excel document on a shared drive.
Power Apps also works really well as part of an overall Microsoft Office implementation. So for example, you might need to collect data using your Power Apps, so you can have users fill out a form, have that easily be stored in SharePoint, and maybe someone needs to get a notification email through Power Automate when a new form is submitted. And maybe you also want to see all the data in one place analyzed in Power BI. So all these tools work very well together.